Welcome to your next science video. Our goal today is for you to not only understand what an element is, also understand element symbols, and also the relationship between atoms and elements. So you'll see on your screen we have a definition of what an element is. An element is a substance that consists of only one type of atom. So all of those elements are listed on the periodic table. So all of the known elements to this day are listed on this table called the periodic table of elements. Each element that you see here has a chemical symbol. And those chemical symbols can be represented by either a one capital letter or one capital letter and a lowercase letter. For example, on the periodic table, copper is represented as capital C, lowercase u. Sodium, capital N, lowercase n, capital N, lowercase a, and nitrogen just alone, capital N. So if we're thinking about this as a whole, if we're looking at an element, again, an element is a substance that consists of only one type of atom. If we're looking just at hydrogen, and an element of hydrogen is made only of hydrogen atoms. So in this hydrogen element, it could be a group of 100 hydrogen atoms put together, or it could be 1,000,000 hydrogen atoms. As long as they are all hydrogen, you have a hydrogen element. So now looking at the relationship between atoms and elements. We have this analogy here. So let's say that we're looking at shoes. And we can say shoes are kind of like atoms. So they're all everywhere. Shoes, shoes, shoes. But if we look at specific brands of shoes or specific types, then we can say that those are elements. So for example, our elements could be a shoe like Nike, Sperry's, Uggs, and Adidas. So in a sense, elements are kind of the specific or the brand names of the atom.